Which subject do you find difficult?
The difficult subject for me is history because there is too much mug up things, तो बहुत ज़्यादा रटना पड़ता है. इसीलिए I don't like history and it is very difficult for me.
What is one of your hidden talents?
My hidden talent is always appears when I'm in odd situations. तब बहुत ज़्यादा difficult situations होती है, कुछ odd situations होती हैं. Then I'm a good decision maker. तो वहाँ पर मैं अपनी efficiencies को थोड़ा ज़्यादा खुलकर ला सकता हूँ सामने.
Name a person you grew up idolizing.
I'm not a type of person who is following anyone else. तो किसी पर्सन को फॉलो मैं नहीं करना चाहूंगा बिकॉज हर किसी पर्सन में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छाइयाँ होती हैं और कुछ ना कुछ बुराइयां भी होती हैं. तो आई एम फॉलोइंग ओनली गुड थॉट्स, गुड डीड्स. इफ एनी पर्सन इज समवॉट गुड इन वन एरिना देन आई विल फॉलो ओनली दैट थिंग, नॉट एज ए पर्सन होल. तो सिर्फ मैं केवल गुड डीड्स को और गुड थॉट्स को ही फॉलो करना पसंद करता हूँ.
If not an educator, what would you be?
If I'm not an educator, then definitely I will be a businessman with multi-purpose approaches and with a philanthropist approach. तो मैं कोई बिजनेस करना चाहूंगा जिसमें थोड़ा सा philanthropic attitude, social work भी include हो.
One superpower you would like to have?
Interesting question. The superpower, I want to know the thoughts of all peoples. जो भी पर्सन हमसे बात करे उसके अंदर क्या थॉट्स चल रहे हैं. इफ आई हैव दैट सुपर पावर देन इट इज वेरी गुड.
One record you would like to have to your name at the end of your career?
I want to be a change maker, especially in educational field. So I want to give a direction as a change maker in education system at national level minimum. अगर national level पर education system में कुछ मिल पाए then it will be okay.
What app do you use the most on your phone?
Definitely an Academies app. One is Educator app and another one is Learning app.
What's the tastiest dish you can cook for yourself?
Yeah, that is my favorite question. I will want to cook white pasta and I'm very good at it.
One funny or eventful teaching moment that you'll never forget?
Yeah, 2 years ago, I'm teaching WTO in my economy class. That time somewhat trade dispute are going on. तो ट्रेड डिस्प्यूट्स बच्चों का समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया था. देन आई विल रिलेट ईच एंड एवरी ट्रेड डिस्प्यूट with the help of James Bond's movies, and that was funniest moment of my teaching experience.
Do you follow any superstitions before writing exams yourself?
No, not at all. I don't call as a superstition. It is some kind of belief always there, but there is no superstition.
Which is your favorite movie?
Shashank Redemption.
If you could eat just one food for the rest of your life, which one would it be?
Definitely, it is a difficult question for me because I am a foodie, but I will choose fruit and salads for my whole life.
Which is the finest book you have read?
According to me, there are two books which is finest, but if you want to ask only one book, then I will say Rig Veda and another one is Bhagavad Gita.
Pick the most memorable title of any of your video sessions until now.
Economics Yearly Current Affairs.
What is the one skill you would like to borrow from any Unacademy educator?
I want to borrow a presentation skills from Mrunal sir's lessons.
Your favorite holiday destination?
Definitely Corsica, France. It is a scented island.
One character from a book or a movie you resonate with the most.
Mm, Singham. Definitely, I will like that movie.
One life accomplishment you're the most proud of.
Being a balancing wheel in my family.
If you get a chance to prank someone, who would you prank and why?
I want to prank with my friend Yashpal and definitely to lighten up his mood because many times he's spoiled his mood. That's why.
One adjective you would use to describe yourself.
Man of integrity with street smartness.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.